Hey everybody, it's a sticker haul this time. It's from a shop called PlanItBeautiful. So I have 4 kits and then this little sampler. The paper is super thick. This is like really thick, kind of like a vinyl. It feels weird. It's very it's hard to tell, but it's extremely thick and it's glossy, kind of like a glossy. But this is the sampler for June. I've been holding on to this for, well, it took a while to get to me, but then I've been holding on to it for a while because that's what I do. Anyways, so lots of really cool like purple, green, pink color scheme. Donut, a latte, an iPhone, headphones, like a planner, lipstick, flower. This is a Rubik's Cube, like a pastel Rubik's Cube, and then glasses. The owner is Sarah, and I think she works on it with her husband. She also has a YouTube channel. I will link down below. Instagram, Facebook, and then she has a website. We did a swap earlier in the year, and I decided that I would get, oh, I don't know, it just dropped out. Vinyl and pen. So the paper that she has is very thick. And what it says here is, did you know vinyl has a completely different surface to paper? This means that not all pens will work on it as the ink can't sink it. My faves are the Staedtler Permanent Lumicolor and Sharpie Ultrafine Permanent Markers, but any permanent markers will do the trick. Even some Brios will work, but avoid the gel pens as these will smudge like nobody's business. Test your pens out here. Best pens to use, for me at least, is Symbolium brand. And this is a Taiwanese marking pen. That's what a lot of people call it. Taiwanese, the Taiwanese marking pen. But I've got them in some special colors, so like light blue, green, this like fuchsia pink, and then a purple. And then I've got the black one, which is a dual-ended. So you got the thin side there, and then this is like a marker side. We have these in our shop, in the choose2do.ca shop, so you guys can take a look. It's a bundle from the Chosen line. So it says don't use gel pens. So that's a gel pen. This is permanent pen, and then so Brio is like an oil-based pen. So you can see it doesn't work very well. Obviously this one will work the best. So no smearing. And then this is like a gel pen. Yeah. So it shows you definitely don't use gel pen, and then use like a permanent marker. I believe these 3 were being discontinued. So this one is called Wonderful Christmas. This one is Girl Boss. I'm pretty sure I've already purchased a kit with this clip art before. And then this one is Secret Garden, which is super beautiful. But these are the ones I purchased that were on sale. And then the one that got me really into the shop was this one called Hollow Glam Garden. I thought that would really match really well with our Inner Peace cover. Actually, it would go really well with Inner Peace, Inner Hope. Yeah, probably both of those. So I'll go through this one first. This is a horizontal kit. I wanted to try out a bunch of different types, but this is the one I purchased at full price. And she does keep things in her shop for a long time. So I got a matte vinyl, the little sticker. Her packaging is really very professional. Even her printing, like sometimes Sarah will show the behind the scenes stuff, and it's quite cool. Like her paper is so thick. But the actual stickers aren't very thick. Just the backing paper is super thick. It's very strange. I've never encountered anything like this, but anyways. So this one, again, was a horizontal kit. They have slightly smaller full boxes. I don't have a horizontal planner from Erin Condren, but I think this will work really well in like a B6 or any sort of the smaller planners, even like a personal size. Full boxes and then a few strips separating different parts. So that one is the full boxes. Deco and 3-heart checklists, functional icons. This one is a weekend banner. It's so pretty. And then these are like little appointment labels, 6 heart check boxes with that really cool kind of like holographic background to it. And then some more of those dividers. This sheet, just cool. This is a date cover. So cool. It's like an entire box though. So date covers that are entire, like just the size of like a half box and a header. Interesting. And then this looks like some bottom washi. It'll be interesting. And then some flags, some like really short flags. The rest of the date covers, and then here's a notes one, to do, to clean. They're all as flags. That's cool. Some more flags down here, and then a whole bunch of half boxes. They're all squared off half boxes. So it's a really interesting layout, and I love the colors, like the pastel. This would be nice for winter to spring. Let me know if you guys do a lot of planning, like forward planning, and you plan out which kits you're going to use and how you do it. That would be really interesting. So that's Hollow Glam Garden. And this one, if you've seen probably the clip art for it before, the Ultimate Kit, and it's on glossy. Maybe this paper is different too. Well, it definitely is different because it's glossy. This is a regular Erin Condren size, so you can see the difference between these. The box stops here, and then this box stops down here. These have a funny smell to them. Smells like vinyl. So you've got your full boxes. I like this quote. It says, "Strong women, may we know them, may we be them, and may we raise them." Oh, wow. So this is a really big, I think this will be the size of 4 boxes. Wow, okay. Got a lot of use out of this kit. Some deco, a weekend banner. Then you've got all of your full boxes. This is interesting. I've never seen text in the back of these. It kind of feels like you have to use these side by side though. The 6 heart check boxes. Then this one is your, maybe like to build a sidebar. And then some rounded half boxes with some deco. And flags, glitter flags, headers, and then your little things. Now, date covers, bottom washi, some extra flags, and some of these quarter boxes. But this bottom washi is so pretty. Then you've got all your washi strips, or maybe these are called headers. Headers, and then this is the washi strip with all your functional icons, and then some of the script icons. This one, which is called Girl Boss Ultimate Kit. And also, we are having a giveaway. We're going to host a giveaway with Sarah, so it will be something that you guys can look forward to. I'll talk about it a little bit more at the end of the haul. So this one is glossy again, but it is a different format. I can't even get it out. Looks like it's a different format. It's an older kit. Cannot get it out. It's like stuck because it's glossy paper, maybe. Okay, there we go. So this one is called Wonderful Christmas. It's, again, a really light pastel. We don't have any Christmas kits, so this might go across a few spreads. That would be nice. Muted pastels. This full box says, "It's the most wonderful time of the year." So it's a different format. This is 9 full boxes. So it's different than something like this, even though they're both ultimate kits. And this is glossy as well. It's a whole bunch of deco, and then here's a giant box as well it's about the size of 4 different boxes. So deco, weekend banner, and then here are some script icons. Here you got 6. Yeah, it is 8. 8 heart check boxes, 6 heart check boxes, and then a full box that's just completely empty. This will be interesting because I got a whole bunch of new overlays. I have a bunch of overlays from Simply Beautiful Plan that maybe I could use. There are some icons, and then sidebar, like build your sidebar. Oh, a hydrate sticker. I haven't seen this. Today, and then the little things. Here's the bottom washi, and this one has date dots. It's nice. All of the date covers are just one long strip, which to me probably won't be great because the spacing isn't right for non-Erin Condren stickers or non-Erin Condren sheets, but I'm just going to work with that. I'll try to work with that. Here's some headers and then some cut washi. These ones, heart checklists. check flags. Do we have them here? So there were no check flags in the other kit. It's interesting. So this ultimate kit, this format of the ultimate kit had check flags. And then some really cute kind of like scalloped quarter boxes and rounded half boxes and appointment labels. That's nice. It's really nice trying out different styles and seeing what you like. That's Wonderful Christmas. And the last one here is such a beautiful, vibrant kit. It's called Secret Garden Matte. But it's kind of like a, oh yeah, it's just the colors are more muted in that one, so it looks more matte. This one is a matte as well. So it says, where you tend a rose, a thistle cannot grow. An ultimate kit, and it's also really pretty. It's also a Erin Condren vertical. Oh, cool. A girl with her books, and then lots of beautiful flowers. Your 6 heart check boxes. This is kind of like a sidebar and then half box sheet, little things and headers, date covers, bottom washi, and then you've got a whole page of glitter headers, and then some bottom washi or some cut washi and the icons. This one I think is my favorite. Even though Hollow Glam caught my eye first, this one, Secret Garden, is probably my favorite. Okay, so that is it for my haul. Now, Sarah and I are going to host a giveaway. It's going to be for $20 shop credit, and you can enter using the Rafflecopter link that will be in my Instagram profile. Also, I'll link it below here on this video. Definitely check out the Instagram. Check out our Instagram, or check out like just the link below, and I go through this again. So here is Wonderful Christmas. This is the only glossy kit. Oh no, these two are glossy. So these two are the glossy kits, and then these two are the matte kits. But I ended up getting Hollow Glam, Girl Boss, Secret Garden, and Wonderful Christmas. And then a small little sampler here for the month of June in 2018. So check out the giveaway, check out the Rafflecopter links, and make sure you enter. Go visit Sarah at PlanItBeautiful.com, I believe. All the links will be down below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I like always trying out new shops, so for sure, if you have a shop that you think I should try out, please let me know in the comments below. And good luck on the giveaway. Thank you for watching. Bye.